All right, what's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm pretty excited about this matchup coming up right now, and reason being is this is going to be a really close one, I believe. Let me welcome back the 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Just a little recap what's done to this car. He's got a upper and lower pulley, intake, cat delete, injectors, and E85. And he's estimated to be around mid 800s to the wheels, maybe upper 800s. He did not get dynoed. And he is running Nitto NT555R2 tires, and they are 305 wide. Now, you guys know these cars are on the heavy side. They weigh around 4,400 pounds. And he's going to be running up against a 2019 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. Now, this is a 10-speed automatic equipped car, and this is a twin turbo one. So let me just go under the hood and show you what's done to this. This is a top mount Hellion Twin Turbo Kit with 55mm turbos. It's got some weight reduction. He's weighing somewhere around 3,400 pounds according to the scale he was on. He is running on E85, and he's running about 10 pounds of boost. Now, he doesn't have the exact numbers now since he did another revision recently, but he's going to be somewhere between 800 and 900 wheel horsepower. Now, as for tires, he's running on 275 wide Mickey Thompson ET Street R tires. So I'm pretty excited about this race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes.